Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Aptitude 2.0. So today we discuss about divisions with any four digits. So previous classes we know that how to make division with the two digits, how to make division with three digits, how to make division with four digits. Now here, suppose I am giving an example 9876 4 means divided with 7342. Let us take an example here. So now here leftmost digit is 7 and here having suffix 342 is taken like this: 9 8 7 6 4. In suffix is having 3 digits. It is to be partitioned from your right hand side after 3 digits like this. Now the right hand side part is known as here decimal part. Now here the left hand side part is known as what? Quotient. So it is quotient, it is decimal part. So actually, which is very helpful in your calculations. Sometimes the examiner may ask to find approximate value, or sometimes they ask to find the value after 4 decimals or after 3 decimals. Such cases, those examples are helpful to us. Look at here. So 9 makes divided with 7 one time, and which leaves remainder 2. Now here suffix having 3 and 1. 3 1 ja 3. 28 minus 3 is to be taken 25, and 25 makes divided with 7 3 times and leaves remainder 4. Now just 3 4 and we should take in as 1 3 and do cross multiplication. 3 3 ja 9 and 4 1 ja 4. 9 plus 4 13. From 47 13 is to be subtracted. 7 minus 3 4 and 4 minus 1 3. Now 34 makes divided with 7 in how many times? 7 4 ja 28 and leaves remainder 6. Now here having suffix 3 digits and the quotient also having 3 digits. Now just those suffix and we should take them as a quotient digits like this. Do like this cross multiplication. So now 3 4 ja 12 plus 4 3 ja 12 24 plus 2 1 ja 2 24 plus 2 26. Now from 66 26 is to be subtracted. Now this value becomes what? 40. Now 40 means divide with 7 in how many times? 5 times and leaves remainder 5. Now again under suffix 342 we should take in as the new quotient along with previous 2 digits because having 3 suffix values. So that's why like 3 4 5. Now again do the same thing. Do cross multiplication. 3 5 ja 15 and 2 3 ja 6. 15 plus 6 21 and 4 4 ja 16. 21 plus 16 37. From 54 37 is to be subtracted. 14 minus 7 7. 4 minus 3 1. 17 makes divided with 7 2 times. And now here having taken 0 and 7 to the 14 and remainder is what? 3. Now again 3 4 2 and we should take in as a 4 5 2. Do the same thing. 4 5 ja 20, 2 4 ja 8 28 and 3 2 ja 6. So approximate it is what? More than 30. So those cases it is asking as approximate value. Your answer is just 13.452. So the answer is observe only after 3 decimals. Okay, so this is known as divisions with 4 digits. Note down. Next, one more example taken as the divisions with 4 digits. Suppose when I am giving 596843 means divided with 6854. Let us take an L here. Similar. Now when I am taking left hand side, this is here in divisor 6, in dividend 5. 5 cannot divide with what? 6. That's why the left hand side 2 digits we taken as at a time. The other digits was taken as like this. In suffix is having 3 digits, which is to be partitioned from your right hand side after 3 digits like this. Now 59 means divide with 6 in how many times? 9 times. 6 9 54. And leaves remainder what? 5. Now look at once, the suffix is here 8 and the quotient is what? 9. 8 9 what? 72. Is it possible to can subtract it from 56? No. That's why which not divides 9 times. It is to be reduced as what? 8 times. Now we know that 6 8 48. So 59 minus 48? 11. Now 8 8 64. So 64 can subtract it from 116? Yes. Now subtract it as like this. 6 minus 4 2 and 11 minus 6 5. Now we are having 52. So now 6 divided 52 in how many times? 8 times actually. But when I am taking 85 under 88, can I cross multiply this? It is not to be subtracted from next digit. So that's why it is to be reduced as what? 7. 6 7 42 and leaves remainder 10. Now here 85 under we should take in 87 and do cross multiplication. 8 7 56 and 5 8 40. So 56 plus 40 96. 96 is to be can subtracted from 108. Yes, it is to be subtracted now. 8 minus 6 2 and 10 minus 9 1. Now the value is what? 12. So 12 actually divides with 6 in how many times? 2 times. But it is not possible to take in like this, because 854 under we should take in like this. So that's why I am taking one time. So suppose I am taking one time under 854, we should take in as 871. Do cross sections like this. 8 1 8 plus 4 8 32 40 plus 5 7 35 75. Here having what only? 6. Is it possible to take it? No. So that's why it is to be again reduced to what? 0. Now 12 is to be directly taken, and here I am taking 0. Now 4 8 32, 5 7 35, 67 and 8 0 0. So 67 is to be subtracted from 124. Like this. Okay. 14 minus 7 7 and 11 minus 6 5. Now the value becomes 57. So 6 exactly divides 9 as no doubt at all, but it is not possible to take in. So that's why I am taking 6 9. Suppose I am taking what happens? 854 under we should take in as a 709. So it's not possible to take in. So that's why it is to be reduced as what? 8. 6 8 of 48 and leaves remainder 9. Here I am taken like this. Do cross multiplication. 8 8 is 64 and 4 7 is 28. 64 plus 28. It is to be what? 92 now. So it is to be subtracted from 93. Yes. 1. So 0. So this is taken as 87.08 approximately. So these are only approximate values. Okay. So thank you.